We want to be able to use sessions to manage the current user and whether they're logged in and all that kind of thing, what their current username is. So this video is about that. I've just done a sort of basic rough template. It gives you the idea. Far from perfect, but we'll refine it in future videos. What do we need to get this working? Firstly, we need to import session as part of this Flask import at the top. There's this line down here which needs to be added, which all sessions need that to run. It's just basically part of the encryption thing, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to have an admin page, we're going to have an index page, and we're going to have a login page. So we'll only be able to meaningfully access the admin page once we are logged in, and the index page is going to vary what it displays depending on whether we're logged in or not. Let's look at that index page to begin with. So we see here the first use of this session thing. Basically, I'm asking if this username key is in the session. Have we got that variable set yet? Basically, it works as a dictionary, a key value thing going on. So you can see that really well on this next line. So it's saying for the username key, get that value and put it into this username variable, right? And then renders the page with that username, and also I've passed in the fact that we are currently logged in. So we just have a look at index.html. If logged in, say hello to the username, otherwise log in. Nothing different there from what we've ever done in the past. Back to app.py. Let's look at login. Login, obviously it's using a form. We should look at that form first. It's very simple. It's just a simple field, a username field, and a login button. Obviously we do password and authentication. Not yet. So this is setting the username, get the value from the form, stick it in to this key value pair. The username is being set to whatever the username was. And also setting this logged in session variable to have the value of true. And then redirect back to the home page, otherwise render the template. That's pretty straightforward. And then this admin page, we're just checking if logged in. I guess I could have done exactly the same as this. It could be just as easily be Control C. It could just as easily be that. I've been a little bit inconsistent in how I've used the username and logged in, but we'll get a little bit more careful about that as we go. So either we're going to send it the fact we're logged in or we're not logged in, and pretty obviously in this page, either we show the admin, welcome to admin, or you're not welcome to admin, go and log in. Pretty common for this kind of thing is we display different parts of the page depending on whether the person is logged in or not. Now, looking at what that is like, here we are in that index page. So if I go to admin, nah, not logged in. So I go to the login and I type in my name is Mr. ASDF, login. Hello ASDF, admin page, welcome to the admin page. So that should hopefully match up with all the stuff that we were looking at here. Reasonably straightforward. Of course, we're going to add a lot more complication because our username and password are going to be stored in a database, and of course we're going to have to hash the password, otherwise we have a deeply insecure way of storing passwords, and that's not okay.